guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Cara. Today I am going to be doing a little demo of this at-home laser hair removal. The brand that I'm going to be using is Silky Skin Co, and they were nice enough to send this to me, and this video is sponsored by them. So far I have done one treatment. You can do your treatments 2 weeks apart from each other for a total of 12 weeks to get the full results. So today I'm going to be doing my second treatment, and I'm gonna just basically be showing you exactly what you do. At first when I opened the box I was like really confused, and then I left it plugged in, and you hit this little power button just quickly. Let me see if you could do it with it when it's not plugged in too. Let's say. No, it needs to be plugged in, and lights up. And then you just kind of click this button down on the front and like zap yourself, just exactly as if you were getting laser hair removal somewhere. So I have gone for laser hair removal. I only went for one session. I did my legs and my underarms, and the pain wasn't like that bad for me. They were kind of like hyping it up like I was going to be in more pain than I was, but I have a pretty high tolerance. This one here is like not painful. It feels like a tiny little zap, and maybe like a little bit of heat. Now I did use it on the lowest setting for my first time. So today when you see me do it, I'm going to maybe use, I think there's 5 settings. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, there's 6 dots. I don't know, maybe there's 5 or 6 settings. Maybe I'll put it on like 2 or 3 today. Now this product does not work for everyone. This is not going to work if your hair is gray or blonde. So I am blonde, but as you can see, my roots are very grown in. My hair is actually like a very, very dirty blonde, or maybe like a light brown. So if you're like naturally blonde, this might not work for you. Now I was originally naturally blonde, like when I was a kid and stuff. So the hair on my body kind of is blonde-ish, so I'm hoping that it still works for me. So far everything looks so far so good, so I'm just going to be taking you along on this process with me, and hopefully just making it a lot easier for you to understand how to use this, because I did like struggle for like a minute. Some more information: this product also will not work for you. Unfortunately, it doesn't work if you have darker skin tone. I know when I went for like an in-person hair removal session, they told me I couldn't have a spray tan on. I couldn't even have a tan from the summer. I don't think that's the case with this. I think it's just if you have like one of the deepest like skin tones. Other information that is good to know about this product: there's a couple other reasons that this product also wouldn't work for you. If you have a known skin disorder, eczema, if you're pregnant, if you have sunburn, and a couple other things like broken skin, scab, healed wound, cancer, and a couple other reasons as well. So make sure that you read everything before purchasing. Included in this box, you will find the IPL machine, the power adapter, a warranty, which I already have taken out, and also the instruction manual. Now, some of the pros about this product is it can be used for a bunch of different areas. Now, you can even use this on your face if you have like hairs here. I know I get like hairs right here that kind of get in the way of like my makeup. Sometimes like when you wash your makeup off, I don't know if you've ever noticed like a little bit of makeup will like get stuck there or something. So I have a little bit of hairs there that I might try it on my face. Also your underarms, your legs. So I'm going to be doing it on all of those spots. It is also recommended that you test it on a small area before, of course, doing a large area. So the first time that I did it, I had just done it like on my lower leg, like by my ankle area, and then I waited. I can't remember if it was like 1 or 2 days, and then I did my full legs. Now, reading the instructions though, it does say to try it on a small area, like the inside of your upper arm. From a low energy to a high energy, apply 1 to 2 times at the same place. After 2 hours, if you feel redness, burn, stabbing pain, or other symptoms, call a doctor before using again. Another pro about this product is it can be used like over and over and over and over. So when I went to get my laser hair removal, I think I paid for the one session that I did, I think I paid $50 for my underarms, and I think I paid like maybe $200 to $250 for my legs, and that was just one session, and they tell you to do 6 of them. So you can see how costly it ends up being. This product here, I believe retails for about $100. I'll put the exact amount on the screen. So after using this for 6 sessions every other week, 12 weeks, you know, you can see the savings, and also not just the savings, also the fact that I never really wanted at the place I went to, like the medical spa or whatever, I didn't really want to do like my Brazilian area there, but I really do want to never have to shave again there. So having this at home is amazing. It can be used again and again. So if you see hair come back, like I always heard that like after you have kids, like all of your laser hair removal treatments, and I think this is why I kind of stopped getting them. They said that it like can all be reversed and you might have to do it all again. So just imagine if I was spending, say I spent $250 and then another $50, I spent $300 that day, and I had to do 5 more sessions of that, and that wasn't even all of the areas that I wanted to remove hair on. You can see how costly it gets. This little guy you can keep using and using, and I believe it doesn't run out. It said for like an insanely like long amount of time. So now I'm gonna take you guys into my bathroom with me, and you can see exactly how this works, and watch me do some hair removal on my legs. And that is it for this video today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. And also, if you like this video, you learned something today, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Really helps me out a lot. And also, I will link where you can get this product in the description below. And also, if you guys would like, if anyone wants, you can like comment and I can update you on my 3rd, 4th, and 5th treatment with this. Obviously I didn't want to wait like a full 12 weeks to post this video because it's kind of exciting. So after I like tried it out once, I figured we'd like film the second one. But yeah, I do want you guys to know exactly how my results turn out. So go ahead, interact with me in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.